Okay, this is Jed656, and today we're going to be shooting a toothpick into my back. But first we're going to test it out on the ceiling. Today helping us with this stunt, I have two people. I have Micah Gilcrease and Randall Strother.
What's up?
Just regular Daisy.
Yeah. Give me that. That's too quick. Give me that.
It's stuck in the ceiling.
The bitch is in there.
Alright, now. This one's stuck ass.
Toothpick. Give me that.
Alright, guys. This is gonna suck.
You gonna lift her up?
Hell no, dog.
No, no. Ready, dog?
I'd rather not see it.
I don't think it's gonna stick, though.
That's a good thing.
Did it hurt?
Fuck. It hit the bone. It hit the bone.
It hit the bone. What if it left a mark?
I don't think it did.
No, but I'm about to.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Where'd it go?
I don't know, bro. I don't know, bitch.
Are you ready? I want you to go with stick. Well, this don't hurt to stick.
Yes.
Oh, fuck him. Fuck, dude.
Look at that sexy back.
You, bro. Looks like the market is, man. Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck.
Stage 3. Dog, you just standing a little bit. This damn girl stuck in the ceiling.
Yeah, but I was right close to falling though.
Oh, my God. I think I'm gonna bleed from this guy.
There you are.
Well,
Oh.
girl.
Good.
Where is it?
It blew off. There you got a mark.
Come closer, Jed.